You know what I was thinking? Every time I see a house that blends with nature and remember the Filing Water house.
Frank was right on one right that the house is insane. I love how literally is on top waterfall.
Yes, and the best part is that it don't try to dominate the environment. It coexists with site architecture, so to be part of the landscape, not an invasion.
Exactly. It's like the house breaks white, the forests, the materials, the stone, the colors, everything, the first organics.
Can you make Levanter the constant source the waterfall to it probably be hard to concentrate?
Of the slab they put in stein, the bergwatt, it eating, living, the third wall, the changed, the wise space, it wax, you fell part of the confetti.
That's exactly what I love about Right. I did use Dancing House and Dancing Experience.
And he was obsessed with harmony. Everything was intentional. The orientation, the light, the sound of water, even the sing, the futurist himself.
Yeah, it makes me think about how we should approach or how projects not who think about from but about how the houses will fill the space.
Exactly, it's not who's out bullying, it's out connecting, as if architecture could expect to the person like in it.
Maybe work out apply something that philosophy in our next design. As what you say, don't put out nature, but within.